one day. Our teacher call everybody. He said, starting from today, beginning from today, oh, if you want to talk, let you talk English. Our teacher can't talk, say, anybody, we talk any vernacular, we talk any vernacular, we talk African language, we talk African language, we talk my people language, we talk my people language, we talk any vernacular. Say go punish them all, say go wicked them all, say go suffer them, say go wicked them all, just because of English, English, because of English, English. My teacher punish me, oh, English, because of English, English. Onye nkuzi abịa mụtara, oh, English, because of English, English. My teacher punish me, oh, English, because of English, English. Onye nkuzi abịa mụtara, oh. One day like that, we there for classroom, oh, oh, oh. Junior can't carry my pencil. Junior na my classmate, oh, oh, oh. When I want use my pencil, I call the Junior, I call the Junior, I call the Junior, see a Junior, young person, oh. Nyem pencil, oh, Okobola, get with a pencil, oh, they get that chili move pencil there. Nyem pencil, unfortunately for me, my teacher heard the vernacular. My teacher begin to ask last, who speak that vernacular? Everybody begin to point me. My teacher said, make I stand up. He said, make I come out home. He said, make I kneel down. He said, make I hands up. My teacher carry bulala. My teacher carry bulala. My teacher carry bulala. Begin to wicked me, oh. My teacher suffer me, oh. My teacher wicked me, oh. My teacher suffer me, oh. Just because of English. English. Because of English, English. My teacher punish me, oh, English. Because of English, English. Onye nkuzi abịa mụtara, oh, English. Because of English, English. My teacher punish me, oh. Aga, sawa, sawa, sawa. My teacher punished me because of English. Yeah, they were. So,